that's what they call me. I promise that you never be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something I got from Amazon. This is a Tac-force tactical rescue and outdoor pocket knife. Okay, there's the box that it comes in. And then here's the knife. Comes with a little bottle opener right here. You can use for a bottle opener. Right here, you can use it for like a screwdriver or something, or whatever you want to use it for. And then how to open it is this little thing right there at the end. You flick like that, and then there it is. Then this part right here, you push that in, and then you can close it. Yep. This is my little pocket knife I got from Amazon. If you guys like these kind of videos and you guys want to see me get more or something like this, leave it down in the comments, leave a like, and make sure I get more of something like this in the near future. Alright, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.